The word war between comedian Vice Ganda and presidential spokesperson Roque continues. It all started with this tweet from Vice on the issue of the people's right to choose the COVID vaccine they want to use. In a press briefing, Roque responded without mentioning the comedian's name. It was followed with Vice saying this in the Tawag ng Tanghalan segment of its Showtime. He repeated it looking straight at the camera. Vice didn't name the clown, but netizens claim the comedian was referring to Roque.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.